ready to amplify your Instagram Reels and share them with your WhatsApp contacts in a flash. Let's dive straight in first. Open the Instagram app and navigate to the reel you wish to share. This could be one you created or one you found that you think your friends would enjoy. Once you've found your reel, look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to reveal menu of options. In the options menu, you'll see a share icon. It looks like a paper airplane. Tap on this icon to open the sharing options. Now, scroll through the list of apps until you find WhatsApp. It should be easily identifiable with its green logo. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. WhatsApp will now open, displaying your contact list. You can either select individual contacts, choose a group chat, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person or group you want to share the reel with. Once you've selected your contact or group, you'll see a preview of the reel in the chat window. You can add a personal message above the reel link if you like. Finally, tap the send button, which is usually a paper airplane icon, to share the reel on WhatsApp. And that's it. The reel is now shared with your chosen WhatsApp contacts. They can simply tap on the link to view the reel directly on Instagram. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram hacks and social sharing tips.